You see the results. K-pop, K-drama, Samsung, Hyundai. But what you don't see is the mindset behind it all. A mindset shaped by history, hardened by war, sharpened by discipline. This is not luck. This is the Korean mentality. Discipline is non-negotiable. From childhood, structure is a way of life. School, practice, honor, repetition. They're not chasing hacks. They're building mastery, brick by brick. They don't seek comfort. They thrive in high standards. Pressure builds diamonds. In Korea, expectations are intense. Family, society, career, it all weighs heavy. But instead of breaking, they perform. The world sees perfection. What they don't see is the pressure behind it, and the power that pressure produces. Unity over individuality. Koreans think in teams, in families, in nations. They move like a unit, fight like one body, win for each other, not just for themselves. Because success is shared. Failure, they carry it together. Humility before victory. You won't hear them brag. You'll see them execute. They don't talk about dreams. They build them in silence. The Korean mentality doesn't chase applause. It chases excellence. If you want to understand Korea, don't just watch their success. Study their discipline. Study their work ethic, their unity, their humility. Share this if you respect results that come from real pressure. Subscribe. Be sharp. Be solid. Be silent. This is Korea. This is the Korean mentality.